Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video, I'm gonna unboxing my brand new camera, the DJI Action 5 Pro. So this is gonna be the camera that I'm gonna use for motovlog. So I bought it the standard combo. I was waiting for this camera for a long time, and then here it is, the camera. I'm so excited about today's video to unboxing the camera. So let's see what we got here, guys. Right. Here we got the accessories. So here is the camera, and what else we got? We got the stickers and DJI Action. So yeah, okay, let's put this aside and we open the accessories box. What is it inside? We got the protection, we got the charger, USB charger, type C to type C, right? Put it right there. And we got the manual book, I guess. And inside here we got the screw, we get the mount, and we got the battery. Actually, it's super small. The battery is super small. Nice. And this cage is plastic, hard plastic. Okay. Nice. Ooh. This is the excited part from unboxing. Ooh, nice. Okay. Like that. And here we got two. This one I don't know what it is. We got the magnetic mount. This is the magnetic mount. Yeah, and this mount is the one for the when you wanna put it in the bike or in a helmet, in a chin. So this is the one. Okay, the most excited part is the camera itself. Ooh, look at this. Wow, it looks really nice. Alright, let's open this. Ooh, that's the most excited part when you unboxing. So this is how it looks, guys, after I mount it into my helmet. It's look really nice. It's small. I'm so excited to test it out, but right now I cannot test it because right here is a minus, so I cannot go out right. But yeah, I'm so excited. Alright guys, I guess that's it, the video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys another video.